Through the course of our trainings, we've seen quite a few tools that have been used that have really had a great influence and impact on the way in which we deliver education. Kaltura My Media is an outstanding tool, especially as you go from course to course, because all your videos follow you. It's a pretty easy tool to use, allows you to do editing, and also it allows you to put screencasts on it. So it's an amazing tool. Again, the great advantage of it is you can take it from classroom to classroom automatically, so you don't have to upload and reload your videos. WebEx is a tool that we have used in DeVry in the senior project course, and it allows the uploading of PowerPoints and the use of the whiteboard, and it also allows, fortunately, for a number of people to talk simultaneously, do group project together. So it's a very adaptable tool to our environment. Google Docs is something that I've used extensively, though not an expert as yet, but it allows you to share documents without emailing back and forth. And in our environment, that is particularly important. So for that example, it's something that I continually use. As I move forward in using technology and using it and creating a technology-laden course, I intend to use Kaltura and WebEx. I use both now, and they have been highly successful, both for myself in creating, but also in students in reading and reviewing them. Google Docs is something that I would like to use more of, especially with the sharing of information. It'd be great to create a template, a folder for each class, and have students who can post information in there to share throughout the course. I think they could use that in the teamwork, team portions much better as well. Integrating these tools into the course. I would like to see Kaltura used more in video responses by students. So one of the things that, one of the strategies that I'm going to use in the future is to require at least one video response by students in the course, in each week, in the discussion board. So week 2 or 3 or 4, they have to use Kaltura to respond to their students. I think it's still positive to have the written response. I think for some students may like videos so much that they'd want to do them all the time. The problem with that, of course, is that they don't develop their writing skills, and writing skills are something that's real important for them to do. For that reason, I think it's that balance. And that's what I want to wind up our discussion with, is this discussion of balance, to have balance in what we do. Writing is important, but so is audio, and so is video. So presentation's as important as writing too. So if we can do both, we have a great chance of being successful in creating this type of broad, competent individual. That being said, I look forward to hearing from your responses, but that's what I see going forward in the classes. Take care.